Okay, good morning students. This is session 24. The topic is effectively use advanced SQL functions and green plum extensions for in database analytics. This is the part 1. Okay. The main aim of the session is to understand SQL functions, how to work with the data analytics. The main objective of this session is to understand about SQL functions, set operations, grouping extensions and regular expressions. The outcome of this session is how SQL functions are using for data analytics, how to use set and regular expressions in data analytics. The key concept of this session is, the first one is the introduction, second one is SQL essentials, the third one is set operations, the fourth one is grouping extensions, the last one is regular expressions. The introduction of this one is, we know that SQL we are using to operate on structured data using some tables. You have worked in the last sem, and also we worked with the PostgreSQL. So the same SQL how can we use to work on the big data analytics also. So otherwise the R programming language is giving a flexibility or easiest one to operate on the data, which is nothing but big data analytics. So therefore, how to link the SQL to the R programming. So after that, so how to use different types of SQL advanced operations to work on it. Okay. So this is the SQL essentials. So as per RDBMS, so we know that the tables we are designing in the tables we are establishing for relationships from one table to another table. So this is the best example. Here you are seeing one table is orders, one more is product, customer demographics, the last one is category. So here you are seeing there are different relations. So how one table is connected with another table. So this is the best example for SQL relations. The next one is here customer ID, how it is connected with the next one. So just you can see here, suppose here customer ID that is connected with the orders table. Order ID, here also you can see where it is connected with the order table, right? So order ID, that is the primary key of which one? Orders. So product ID, this is here. Similarly customer ID, right? So and category, there is a relation there is no direct relation from orders to category, but from product to category. So the category ID is specified in the which one? Product. So therefore the category ID of category we can speak it as a foreign key. So this is the concept of relations. The next one, generally we are using in the SQL query three key parts. One is select, second one is from, third one is where. So select, so to select the table name and also which columns you want to select. So select, so the table columns we can select. From refers from which table you want to select. The third one, where means that specifies the criterion or filter to be applied. I mean some conditions, I mean some constraints we can mention. And also if there are multiple tables are there, just now you have seen there are different tables we are using. So we can also speak a table is nothing but a relation. So how to create the relation from one table to another table, after that how to join, I mean how to mix, combine the data from one table to another table as per our requirement to get the output, I mean the query output. Okay. So joins, we know very well join means, so we can join from one table to another table is nothing but which one? Join, right. So for example here you are seeing this, so by using the previous example, that is nothing but this table. So that table is having customer ID and also order ID and product ID and item quantity. So from orders table join with which one? Customer table, right. So how we are joining? Here you are seeing this, dear students, where customer ID is equals to the customer ID. Which customer ID? Orders customer ID is equals to this customer's customer ID. I mean, so here you can understand, here this is order ID and one more is also there, this O dot customer ID, here C dot customer ID. These both tables if you want to join, this is required. Hope you understand now that syntax, right. Where this is the constraint, where the first name of the customer's table that should be is equals to, and the last name of the customer table that is nothing but HU, who, this is Mason. So like this if you execute this one we can get the output like this. The next one, so there are different types of joins are there. We know that left outer join, right outer join, so cross join. So like that there are different types of joins are there. So the right outer join is to identify the first 5 customers alphabetically. We have not placed an order. The sorting of the records is accomplished with ordered by class, order by class. So to keep the data, the output information should be in the order by using order by class. So this is the syntax, students. So we are selecting customer ID, after that first name of the customer, last name of the customer and order ID of from the which one? Orders table. So by using the which one? The customer ID that should be is equals to customer ID of the customer, customer ID of the orders. I mean that customer ID should be there in 2 tables, I mean orders and customers. Such a type of data only extracted or merged, so to get an output, and this is the condition we are using. The order ID is null, order by, so last name, first name, limit to how many? 5. 5 means only 5 records will be displayed as an output. So this is the output of this one, dear students. Here you are seeing this, the first one is the customer ID, second one is the first name, the third one is the last name. So this is the concept, I think you understand now. The next one, set operators. So we know that in the SQL there is a set option is there or set concept is there. So by using the set means a group of items we can arrange as a set. So to perform the set operations, it is providing unions and intersections on rows of data, So for example, if we are having the 2 tables, so one is order ARCH table, the second one is for short for orders archive table, contains the orders entered prior to January 2013. So, the orders transacted in or after January 2013 are stored in the orders recent table, right. So, to do these are all things what we have to do, okay. So, this is the syntax we can use. So, where union all, the meaning of this one is actually here you can see. So, the union all queries merged later into a separate file or table. Alternatively, one query could be written using the what is that one? Union all operator. Okay. So, by using this one union all, these are all data from two tables. Union means two sets are merged. So, by using the union all, we can get the data like this. So, here so on we have mentioned because not possible to display the entire data, that is why we use it like this. Hope all of you are following. The next one, intersection. That is nothing but the data which is common for two sets. That is nothing but which one? Intersection. So, to work with this one, here you are seeing this. What is the operator we require? Intersect. What is the operator? Intersect. The next one. So, suppose if you want to count the number of products that were ordered prior 2013 but not after that point in time. So, the except operator can be used to exclude the product IDs. Hope you are following. What is the use of the except means? We are getting the total data, but within that data we require only this much of data, we have not required some more data. How to tell like this, right? So, except here you are seeing this were ordered prior to which one? 2013 only, but not after the point in time. The meaning of that one is after 2013 we have not required the data, only 2013 the data is required. To work with this one, this is the way to specify or to write the syntax like this: except select product ID from orders recent E. So, the output is only 13,569. Similarly, we can also count. These are nothing but which one? Aggregate function. So, can also be called as grouping extensions. I mean, a set of values are there. How many number of values are there, or how many number of records are there, and also what is the sum of the total column, sum of the total column. So, we can do like this by using the which one? Count method, sum method, by using group by operator, right. So, this is the syntax. Here you are seeing this select. So, we are selecting the product ID. So, sum of item quantity, I mean the total item quantity column data totally summation, right. Yes, total from orders recent and how it is grouping, grouping order by sum of item dot quantity in descending. How much? 3. 3 stands for the limitation is 3. I mean, for example, here 150/72. So, how much is there? 60/89. I mean, 150/72 is the product ID, its sum is 60/89. How many number of people they purchased or something, whatever it may be ordered. Similarly, 150/66, 150/60, because the limit is we have mentioned here 3. 3 stands for only 3 records will be displayed. I mean 3 outputs you are seeing. In database text analysis. So, the text analysis nothing but here. So, we are using some string. So, within that string, So we can retrieve some data, right? So to do that one, select substring of this one. So 3 comma 2 means here 3 is nothing but here. So the first one 1 2 3, so that is 3 you are getting, and after that 2 means 2 digits we have to select, 3 and 4, that is why we are getting the 34, right? The next one, so 1 2 3 5 6 7 something like percentage 7. So is it there or not? 7 is there or not here? Percentage refers the before that one, something is there, 7 is there. That is why it returns the true. 7 percentage, the meaning of that one is false. After 7, is there any 7 is there? No. So that is means false. So the next one, like underscore 2 is true. So underscore 2 means 2 before underscore refers only one character. So that is nothing but 1. So that is true. Similarly, you can also see the next operations to understand purpose. This can also be called as which one? Regular expressions. We can also speak them as regular expressions. So these are the regular expressions operators to do the analysis on the text. Analysis on the text. So these are the tilde operator with asterisk, next exclamation with tilde operator, exclamation mark tilde with asterisk. So these are the different uses of these operators, okay, right? And also, so element, suppose this is the pipe symbol, what it can do? Matches item A or B, A or B we can use, and caret symbol or cap symbol we can use. Looks for matches at the beginning of the string, So like this, here you are seeing this, these are all different types of operators. Please students, so after completion of the session, I will share this one. You go through this one, you can understand, so what is the use of each and every operator, right? So these are the different examples of the previous one. So I mean, these are all operators we are using. So to understand this one, this is the best example I have mentioned here. Please go through this one, you can understand easily, and also you can execute in the system, right? So the next one, so this is the SQL functions enable the regular expressions, for which purpose? To extract the matching text, that is nothing but either substring or also such as regular expression with replace, right? So here you are seeing this one, replace long format zip code with short format zip code. Hope you are following, right? So select regular expression, replace, so that is nothing but this is replacing by which one? The new one. Hope you are all following, right? So the output also you are seeing this 4321A Main Street Franklin. So that is replacing by which one? MA02038. So finally, I want to say that now you understand what are the advanced SQL functions which are useful to understand the characteristics of unstructured data, and also how to use to extract or transform and analyze these functions effectively on the data. The next one, these are the self-assessment questions. So name of the operators in set operator is, so union, intersection, minus, all of the above. 4 options are there. You can tell easily all of the above, because union is there, intersect is there, minus is there, okay. The next one, Hadoop common packages contains, Hadoop common package, so jar files, Java archive files, right? These are the terminal questions. You can go through this one. So these are the references and web links. Thank you very much.